Can you delete your Threads account? If yes, how? That's what we're going to talk about in today's video. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this. So everyone is jumping onto this awesome new app from Instagram. I am actually loving it, Threads. It's kind of like Twitter, text-based platform. You can add pictures and images. But here's something that someone brought to my attention, and I was kind of surprised. So read this. You may deactivate your Threads profile at any time, but your Threads profile can only be deleted by deleting your Instagram. Since when you created account on Threads using your Instagram, guess what? If you want to delete Threads account, you will have to delete Instagram, which kind of sucks, right? But here's the workaround. Here's the workaround, and actually the CEO of Instagram, Adam Mosseri, here is what because a lot of people are talking about this. What if you want to delete, you can create account, but what if you don't like it? What if you want to remove everything from Threads? So here's what you can do to delete, or the workaround right now. So here's what he's saying. To clarify, you can deactivate your Threads account, which hides your Threads profile and content. So first option is you deactivate your Threads account. You can, number two, you can set your profile to private. Let me make this bigger. So you can deactivate, or you can set your profile to private, and you can delete individual threads. That's the other thing you can do. If you haven't posted much, you can delete a bunch of stuff from it, and all without deleting your Instagram account. And then in future, they are working on into a way to delete your Threads account separately. So unfortunately, right now, there is no separate way. There is no delete the Threads and not Instagram, but they're workaround. So let me show you. Here's my Thread account. So to deactivate, you are going to click on these two bars and then go inside account, and then here is the option deactivate profile, and it says right here, deactivating your profile is temporary. Your profile Threads replies will be hidden until you reactivate. But that's a way you can remove. If you do not want to be on that platform, you can remove anything and be safe. The other option is click on this globe icon, and then look at this on the top. I can turn this on, make my profile private. So that's the other option. People will not be, it's kind of like having a private account on Instagram or any other social media platform. So those are the two options you can do right now. Personally, I think if you do not want to be on Threads, if you don't like it, just deactivate and go away. And whenever they have a separate way of deleting Threads and Instagram, you can go back and delete your Threads account. Any question about this new platform? I'm enjoying it. Looks like there's a lot of growth, organic growth, especially if you have a large following on Instagram. You can just move it over, or it automatically moves over to Threads. So go give it a shot. Any questions, let me know. And before you go, like and share so more people can see this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.